Hey everybody, today we're going to be working on a STEM project, and in order to do this project we're going to follow the 5 steps in the design process. First, you ask questions, you plan, create, test, and improve your design if necessary. Today we're going to be building an egg parachute. So in order to build this project, you're going to need simple household items. You're going to want cardboard and coffee filters, cotton balls and rubber bands, balloons and scissors, and yarn and tape, as well as tissue paper. And I added markers because I like to design my projects to make it more personalized and fun. So first, you want to take your pen and paper and create a plan. So you want to write out exactly what you want to do for your project. So first, I started off by listing it 1 through 5, and I said gather supplies, and I listed all of my supplies I needed. Then I said build, test my final product, and improve and retest if necessary. So first, to start building the project, we want to take our cardboard. So just to save time, I already made a box. If you have a small cardboard box at home already made, use that, that's perfectly fine. To build your box, you either want to use hot glue, which you can only do with the help of your parent or an adult, and you can tape your box together if you don't have glue or a parent around. So first, after you built your box, I added my name and a flower to design my box. Then you want to put cotton balls in the bottom of your box, just for extra cushion for your egg. And just to be on the safe side, if you're doing your project inside like me, you want to put your egg in a bag. After you put your egg in a bag, you want to put it in your box along with some extra cotton balls. And then your 2 rubber bands that you have, you want to put that around the top just to make sure that your egg is going to stay in your box. Next, you want to get your string. I have already cut my 4 pieces of string and tied it to the end of my tissue paper. And then I got 3 coffee filters. And again, just to add some design, I colored flowers on all of them. So you want to lay your tissue paper out flat and lay all of your coffee filters around on a circle on your tissue paper to help form the circle dome part of your parachute. Next, you just want to take your tape and tape all sides on the inside edges and the outer edges of your coffee filters down to your tissue paper. And make sure it's in the center so it will float evenly. And you don't have to add tape all the way around your circle, just on 4 of the sides of your circle. So now you should have something that looks like this. Your tissue paper with your 4 strings and your circle in the middle. Now you want to take your box and get a hole puncher and punch holes on all the sides of your box so you can tie your string to your box. And you might have to ask a parent for help for this because it might be a little difficult. And also, when you're tying your string to your box, you want to make sure you don't cross edges so you have all of your edges tied to the right side. Alright, so now that we've finished creating our design, it's time to test it. So we have our egg in our plastic bag just in case in our box surrounded by cotton balls, and our rubber bands are holding it in place. And we finished tying all four strings to the four corners of our box. So here we go to test. Now we have to see if our egg made it. So our egg made it all in one piece. Now if you're throwing your box from a higher elevation, like the top of your stairs or the top of the slide at the playground, you might want to add some balloons for extra air resistance and support for when it hits the ground. So you want to tape a balloon to all four corners. When you're doing this, make sure to not tape your strings down with your box because they still need to be able to hang above the balloons. Alright, now that your balloons are all attached, you want to go outside or the top of your stairs and retest once again. And there you have it, your egg parachute. Thanks for watching. Y'all have fun making this project at home and be careful.